Hello viewers and welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. In this episode, it's just gonna be a short one, just to show you how much you must prove your bread. It must come this far, this volume, then it's ready for baking. And how you bake it? It's 220 for 25 to 30 minutes with steam. What do I mean with steam? If you have other modern ovens, they put a steam button on, so it means you must bake with water. In the first stage, when you put your bread, you open steam, and that steam will make the bread, will give the bread a lift, a jump start, so that it will bake nice, because the bread is heavy, so it needs that lift, and also with the amount of salt that is in the bread, for it to have that shiny look of bread and crispy crust. To develop that crust, you need water. So how do we do in our normal home oven? That's what I'm going to show you. When you put your bread in, as soon as you put it here, I will use ice, but you can always take water. It's just normal water, just water from the tap. So when your oven is hot, be sure your oven is hot, like the one I have here. It's very hot now. So what I do, I throw water in. So you will see what I will do, but I will throw water with the help of some ice blocks. I will just put the ice blocks in, so when the bread is baking, the ice block will melt and will give some steam as we go. But in industrial bakeries, they have oven with steam already, so there is water flowing already in the oven, and so if you press a button, then the steam will develop and will spray the bread, and the bread will be ready to go. So here we go, our oven is ready, our bread is ready. Then I will show you how. So what you do, you take your bread, you put it here, you take your ice blocks, you just throw them, I just throw them. I will add some water also. That's the steam. That's all what you need. Then you set your oven. So we need we'll start with 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, we see how our bread goes. Then we take it from there. So that's all for now. See you in the next episode, when I will be showing you a well-baked bread, and hopefully we will enjoy together. Cheers for now. Maitabasa tinotenda siyabonga mapiranjito. Keep on watching, keep on subscribing, and keep on commenting. It helps us a lot as a channel to grow. Thank you. Your resident chef signing out, Chef Tonde.